Hello guys, welcome back to Coding with AJT, and in this lesson I will show you the project of the quiz app we will be creating. This quiz app contains 10 questions. The main screen will tell us about what the app is about, and it will have the play button, and it will have the game screen which have 10 questions. What will tell you how many you got correct so far, the question, and 4 answers which you can pick from. So this is the app, the BTS Quiz. The title is Are You a True BTS Fan? Which will give us a logo of what we're talking about for the quiz. We can push to play and it will give us questions, and it will give us how many we got correct. It will give us the question on, and we have 4 answers, which gives you the correct answer and which tells you the wrong answer. Gives you the correct, tells you the wrong, and as you can see, we can't switch questions at all. And when you get it correct, it gives you a point, and it continues to tell you what question you're on. So after we done all of that, it will give us the last question, which will say 10 out of 10. Gives us correct, how many we got correct. And when we click on next, it will tell us what we got correct out of 10. And it will give us a picture which will say good job. And when you click play again, it brings us back to the main screen. Subscribe and hit the like button to see more. Bye!